So hey guys, you're watching Tech Unicorn channel. I'm Prakash. I'm here with another video. In this video, we are gonna review Samsung Level U. So it's a pro quality headset actually. It's a sportswear. So we are gonna review it. We are gonna say its pros and cons and should you buy it or not. And it justifies the price of 3,000 rupees. In US currency, I think it should be around 200 bucks. I don't know. So it is in Indian currency, it's 3,000 rupees. So let's begin the video. As I said in this video, we are gonna review this Samsung Level U. So before that, I would like to say if you are interested in unboxing, review or technical stuffs, please consider subscribing this channel because we put everyday videos. So you should subscribe and click the bell icon also. If you like this video, so I will feel good. So see. Samsung Level U is like it is a normal battery session. Like it is not having a huge battery. It is having 200 mAh battery only. I thought it will last only for like 1 day or so. So I used like for regularly. Like it is not. I am not taking out the headset for like 10 or 20 minutes also. But it was fabulous actually. Like it was taking like 2 or 3 days to wear off. Like it is very good for like having a headset, which it is actually good while like you are having a running session or like a walk session also, because it is sweat proof. Like it is not specified that it is waterproof or something. But the thing is, it is resisting to the sweat also. And the thing is, I like about this, it is like it is not hanging around my neck. It can clip onto this and it stays in the center. While I run also, if I don't want to listen the song, I can just plug in this and keep it there. It is a magnet actually, which is like sticking to each other. And the thing is like you can actually bend this to an extent. It is a bendable arm here, so you can bend it like this and this. So the main components are here, and it is like USB charging, so it is not so well. I would prefer a C type charging thing. And it was not having a carrying pouch. Every time I intend to carry this, I have to carry it on my neck. So it was weird, like when I am in a bus or in a Uber car, like I have to wear it on my neck. Like if I am listening to it, it's okay to wear it, but if I'm not listening to it, I will prefer for 3,000 rupees you should give a carrying case, which is like not a cardboard type box, like which is a box type thing. You can provide a cotton cloth type thing to carry it, like it will be very much good. It is not there. So but the thing is I am having a big ear cup, so I needed the sports type wear thing. So I like that hook type thing which goes into your ears and if it snug to your ears. So thing is I love the ear tips, but the thing is it is different from your normal thing. It can be bigger for you, like if you are having a smaller ear. The smaller ears of this is not coming. The sportswear is not coming. The normal type one is coming, the smaller type tips. So you cannot wear this if you are having a smaller ear and you want to use it for sports. So it's great. If I will prefer this for 3,000 rupees, I will prefer, because it is a great one. Like if you go to Samsung Level U Pro, it is very much costly. Like it is like 7,000 rupees. so it is not adding up to the thing like I should prefer that. So I prefer this, so I bought it. So it is very great headset. If you want a headset for 3000 rupees and you're working out and you're like going for jogs or not for swimming, like it is not waterproof, it is water resistant. It is not mentioned actually, it is not a feature, but it is resisting to the water. So mind in that, like not go for swimmings. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, I prefer this headset, so consider that you can buy that. And that's all for this video. If you like this video, I will feel good, and if you share this video, I will feel much more good. And be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon. If you don't like also, I will feel good if you subscribe and click the bell icon also. If you don't like the video, please go ahead and click the dislike and go to the comment and say why don't you like this video, what is not here and why you are not liking this video, and give suggestions for it. And you can give suggestions for the future videos also. Ta-da, guys, see you, peace.